Good morning, Bullard High School. Today I'm going to show you how to use SORA. It's our free audiobook and ebook app or website. You can use it either way. So how do you get free books? First, go to the Bullard High School website. That's where I am right now. Then you're going to scroll over to Academics, scroll over and click on Library. You can also access SORA through your Clever account. That's actually faster than what I'm showing you. But since I'm here, I'm going to click on SORA. And these are all of the books that we have available. You can just scroll down and see what's available. You can look at popular subjects. You can explore all subjects. Okay. You can also look at our collections right here. There's collections for AP reading, specifically for Springboard, books that we have in stock right now, graphic novels, books in Spanish, etc. So let's just click on one. Before we do that, let's look at preferences. Right now I'm searching for audiobooks and ebooks. Maybe you're only into audiobooks or maybe you're only into ebooks. You can choose which one you want. I'm going to leave it open for now. Let's say I got lucky and this is the book I want. So I just click the book. It gives me a little summary here. I could read a sample or I can borrow the book. So let's borrow this book. And this is an ebook you can see right there. So now when you first download it, it does take a little while for it to download. And you can either, once it's downloaded, you can just use your finger to swipe the screen or you can use your side arrow keys. So let's see if it's ready yet. Not quite yet. Okay, now I can use the arrow keys to cycle through. And again, this is an ebook, so I'm not going to be able to listen to this one. I can go back once I'm done. Then I can actually click on borrowed and you can return it right here. So I'm going to return it so someone else has access to it. So there's a couple different places where you're looking here. This is what I've already downloaded. Explore is how I find a book that I want. So let's go to our preferences. I actually prefer audiobooks. I'm going to change it to audiobooks. I'm going to click apply. And these are some books that are available. So let's, for example, look at Lord of the Flies. That's a book a lot of you guys and girls are going to be reading this year. I'm going to borrow it. And I hit play, and then the audiobook will begin. I'm not going to click play right now because you will not be able to hear it because of the program I'm using to record this video. I can click on the borrowed button again if I want to return it. I return it. So now I have nothing on my shelf. One of my favorite topics is outdoor adventure. So I'm going to go back and change my preferences to audiobooks and ebooks. I'm going to search for a book. Outdoor adventure. Oh, it looks like I didn't save my preferences. This is what is available right now. I've already read this book and I've already read this book, and I'm not really interested in reading children's books. So that is a little frustrating that there is not more available for outdoor adventure. So what do you do in that case? What if we don't have the book and you want it? Well, this is what you can do. Go to the Bullard Library, scroll down, and request a book. Complete this form to the best of your ability. You have to put the title of the book. You do not have to put the author, but the more information you give me, the better. You fill that out, you send it to me, and then I will order it for you and email you once it comes in. That's why you need to make sure you put your email address. If you just put your student ID, that also would probably work too. I can look up your email address. Okay, so I hope that is helpful for all of you. I'm hoping that people will start using SORA a little bit more because it's a great resource. All right, have a great day.